YouTube viewers, here we have this new unbox 36-inch Union. Came with instructions. We're going to look at those real fast. There's the 3 motor types. I have Model C, obviously. And there's the back of it, just showing you if you want to put a light on it. Return to Union. What is this? An insurance card? Oh, warranty card. And then we have a troubleshooting. So that's kind of cool. There's the front of it. And these are the twisted blades, not the straight blades. That's why they're curved. They have one heck of a pitch. And I think I see what they mean by twisted. They're not straight they're not straight at all. They're actually, if you look at the blade, they are indeed twisted. They're going this way. And they have a heck of a pitch. I'll see if I can get that real fast. And you can see they're pretty well pitched. Let me go over here and grab the box. I'll see if I can reach it. The box is right here. The label was Wind Machines. And this is the model once again with the twisted white metal blades. Exclusively at Bandpat. I think it's just the same thing all around it. What's in this? Oh, extra. It came with an extra one of these for the grommet. So I just put it in there for right now. I'll figure out what I'm going to do with it. Either way, I got this fan new off of eBay. I saw it. Just made a offer, and I got it for the offer, so I'm happy. Either way, let's start this fan off on low. Oh yeah, no, Sue. I almost forgot. Label. Sorry, it's been a long night. Got the Casablanca. Thank you. Oop. There's our label. Oops, sorry. There's the Union label again. That's the only label on it. No, there isn't, my bad. There's a little bit of paint that's come off it right there. Besides that, she's in pretty good condition. And she is, of course, poison motor. Here's a better look at that blade. It's a very unusual blade design. So, let's see what she does. Put this down real fast. I got you plugged into the charger, so sorry about that. Alright, low speed. Low speed should be up. Nope, gonna stall. Medium low. Once you get the brand new fan, I'm sure it's got stiff bearings. There's medium low. Medium high. And high. There's a heck of a breeze below it. Definitely moves air further away from it too. That can be shown by the newspaper there. You can see it moving. Moving ever so slightly, you might not be able to see it. But it is. It aims just as good as new. You can shoot them. Very cool. I've never seen one of these in 36 inch, so that's why I jumped on it when I saw it. Man, she blows some good air actually. RPMs are probably in the 250, 300 range. Pretty well balanced. I may actually keep this fan out. I might actually hang it somewhere. This is pretty nice. Either way, it's just spin down. This weekend I've obviously, I don't know if you've been paying attention, but I've had issues with my Jeep spinning down. So I've been kind of busy. I know I have to pack and ship out the Fasco for a customer. I also have to pack up my fans and put them in my room. They're just on the floor in here right now. But I mean, I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fans I want to pack up and move to my room. So that'll probably happen tomorrow. We'll see. Spin down should be pretty fast on this. Basically because it's new bearings and a new fan. Very cool. Once again, this one is Union labeled, not Evergo. And it has the twisted blade design. Pretty solid stuff. I'm just gonna go with the high on this one because it's new, and see if it gets the high, what it looks like. Going on the high.